Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to another CECS tutoring video. Today we will be going over linked lists. This will be the first video in a small series of videos on this topic, so please make sure to watch those as well if you have any more questions after this video. Today we will be discussing three main things. What are linked lists? How do they work? And why do we use them? So first, what are linked lists? Just as the name implies, linked lists are a type of list similar to an array or a vector. Typically, a linked list can have one or two links and some kind of data associated with it. This data can be of any data type, integers, strings, floats, you choose. It is called a linked list because you create links using pointers. You use pointers to traverse the list. If you are not familiar with pointers, ask the current tutor or go back and watch the video about pointers. We will discuss this traversal more when we talk about it in the next video. Linked lists are more dynamic than an array or a vector. You can add a link anywhere in the list. You can remove data from anywhere. And this allows you to use sorting algorithms like merge sort and quick sort. We will also go over those in another video. How do they work? We create a linked list by using a struct or a class. Typically, we use a struct because everything is already public. After the creation of the struct, we can use this where we need it in our program. This is what it looks like to initialize a node or a linked list. So we have our node A, then we use A's data to get the data, and then we use A's next to access the next link if there is another link currently. If there is no link, A next will be null. So let's talk about why we use them. The first scenario is when data must be inserted or removed from any position in the list. This is a dynamic allocation of memory. The second is when data must be sorted in a specific way that you might not be able to do using an array or a vector. Another good use for linked lists is dynamically updating a graphic user interface or a GUI. Another one is stacks and queues. And then the last one is trees. These are not specifically linked lists, but use a similar concept of the node. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your current tutor or email us at the ELC.